will talk about 5 senses. There are 5 senses which are very important. The first one is eyes. We use our eyes to see the things like a rainbow, like a trees, like a flower. We use our nose to smell the things, like the smell of flower or the smell of perfumes. Here, as you see, there is an ear. We use our ear to hear the things like music, like some noise. And here we have hand. We use our hand to touch the things. We can find the objects either is soft or hard by touching. And here is mouth. We use our mouth to test. Here is a tongue, which are divided into 4 birds. The first bird as a tip of a tongue is sweet. The second part, as you see, the number 2 is sour. And number 3, as you see, the yellow color help us to test salty, and the upper tongue help us to test bitter. So I have prepared something for you here to test and to recognize the test. I prepared a mouth to have a sensory experiment. As you see, your lip, teeth, and tongue, which is divided into 4 birds. There are 5 basic tests for humans. The tip of the tongue is sweet. It helps us to test sweet. The side birds, blue, help us to test sour test. And the third, the green color, help us to test salty. And the upper of the tongue help us to test bitter. Some tests for you. Let's start with something maybe sweet. You can try. Okay. How does it test? How does it test?
Sweet.
Here I have. Please test it, okay? Is it sweet?
No.
Sour? Salty? Bitter?
Sour.
Sour, yes. Do you like sour test? Don't you like? Okay, it goes to the sour test. Yes. Try it a little bit. How does it taste? Sweet, salty, bitter?
Bitter.
Bitter. What else can be bitter, Sabina? What else can be bitter? Coffee, olive, some vegetables can be bitter. Where does it go? It goes to the upper part of something to test. I hope you like it. How does it taste? Is it sweet? Or bitter? Or salty?
Salty.
Salty. Which can be salty? What is that, Sabina? It's French fries. French fries are here. The test starts in the mouth with the tongue. So we have sweet test, we have sour test, we have salty test, and we have bitter test. This is how we recognize the test with the help of our tongue.